Ada, where is that envelope that I gave to you from? What is wrong with you? Okay, madam, okay, focus on what. You don't know materially a store. Oh, yes, you don't love yourself. Yes, Mama, there is not okay. Why is it? I hope everything is intact. Jenny, for sure. Are you sure? What's wrong with your brother? Chicken. Look at this. I asked him to give me 15,000 naira. He sent me this. He sent me 5,000. What is 5,000? When will it start? Is it yam tubers? You know how much one yam costs in the market? 600 naira. And they talk about cups of rice for all these empty bowls I have in the house as well. Is there no meeting? What about meeting money? How much will this? Oh my God, Mama! Mama, maybe that's how much he can afford for now. I know Chike. If Chike has more than this, he will give you more. This is what he told you. He did not. He won't let you win it. Thank you.
Mama, but Chike will soon be back now. Maybe you explain more better why you don't take their money.
If you don't have anything reasonable to say now, get out, all of you. Out of here! Get out of here!
You choose now. Let's go. They said all of us. Let's go now. Let's go. Stand up.
Respect yourself. Come on, get out from here.
I'm just going to have my medical cup. Get out. I will call you.
Oh, Mama, I'll get out of here.
Okay. You say what?
You don't want to hear.
Nothing. You look now. You're not. Hi. Jesus. Yeah? Oh, yeah, before that. Give me your...
Who is that coming? The door is open. Oh, see that!
Wow, I've missed you.
I miss you too.
How have you been?
Okay, and you?
We just like missed.
Please, don't tell me you're leaving. You're staying over.
Of course I'm staying over. Wow. So how have you been?
Excuse me, lady.
Hello?
Hello, Dad.
Hello, my beloved son, Tony. How are you?
I'm fine, Dad, and you?
Oh, we are all fine. You're civil. Everybody's fine. Everybody's fine. So, you know that Christmas is 3 months away from today. You know that. And we have the living God that you must be with us this Christmas.
Dad, please. To be honest with you, I'm not ready to go home yet. If anybody wants to spend the Christmas with me, the city is not far from the village. If you can come down here and stay with me, that's for coming home. Dad, forget it for now, please.
Tony, stop this! Man, what are you telling me? How do you want me to understand this? Please, I am begging you. No, okay, I'm not shouting at you. Just listen to me. Imagine now, you sent money for 5 years now. We built a house with your own money. You've not even come back to know how we build a house, everything. No, it's wrong. Tony, don't just say that. You must come back this December. Please.
I'm sorry, Dad, but the truth is that I am not ready yet.
When will you be ready?
Dad.
No, tell me, when will you? Is it when I die?
God forbid, Dad. Come on, don't say say that, please. I'm not ready yet.
Okay, now Tony, listen to me. Listen to me. I am begging you. I am your father. I am your father, and I'm giving you this as an order. I'm also begging you, please start preparing because you are coming back this December. Nothing will stop you. I am begging you, please. Alright. What is this? Whatever! Huh?
Was that your dad?
It's my old man.
He wants you to come home.
Yes, but I'm not ready to go.
Why?
Yes, I'm not ready to go.
No, so listen, you need to go home. You need to know why he wants to see you.
You really want this thing?
You have to.
And I will go only on one condition. If you accept my proposal, then we can go home together.
Oh my God. Dude, listen. You know I love you so much. And I would want to be your wife. In fact, I am already your wife. But I have one more year in the university. So please, you need to give me one more year.
Spell that. You've told me that over and over.
So please, you need to go and see your dad.
When you marry me.
I will marry you, but you need to go and see him. But not now.
Hey! Mba! You must come back home. You must come back home. If you don't come back this December, I will go to that city and drag you back home. Drag you back to this village. You don't care.
Now, what is it? Why are you shouting?
It's not your brother. It is not your brother. I just finished to call him. And guess what? You just said it with ease that he's not coming back for Christmas. Yeah? But he must come back.
But Dad, you know we are all used to him not coming back for Christmas. So why are we bothered about his not coming back for Christmas?
I'm used to him. You are used to it. But I am the father. I am not used to it. One man used to. Are you used to it? I'm not used to that. He must come back in December.
Okay, fine. So how do you then go about it?
I'm still planning it. I'm still working on it.
Dad, let me remind you of something in case if you're forgetting so soon. We all know that Tony have a very bad memory of his returning home. Dad, you know what this guy has passed through.
Now listen to me. You are very naive. You don't know what you're doing. Now, if we all, justify it, we all support it, he had bad experience, and because of that, which means that he will never come back again. After he's not the only one that suffered it. We all suffered it. We all suffered the humiliation. So what are you talking about? Yeah?
That's because Tony has gone through a lot. Yes, he has really passed through a lot.
I'm suspecting him. I am suspecting him because from all indications, you're not even thinking of how your brother will come back. You are not. I'm Nigerian. Listen to me. Years back, we all know in this village, we don't have it. We were almost like the poorest family in this village. So, under normal circumstances, we human beings that are poor, they are wicked. Then the gentleman can mess us up. But today, God has blessed Tony. He's the richest among all his contemporaries, all his mates. Don't you think it's the right time for him to come and show them that God has lifted his family? Lifted him. You are justifying nonsense. Yeah? I'm a Nigerian. You want me again? Yes. Now you are justifying nonsense. Now listen to me. Talk to your brother. Talk to him. I'm not going to tell you the other. I hate yourself.
Dad, I'm talking to him, but
thank
God you saved them. You said it to your daughter, call your son. And let me tell you, remember then was analog. Now we're in the digital year.
I'll tell brother first now. I don't like to. I'm sorry. I senior you.
Man, how are you?
Did Ada come here today?
Yes.
I hope you gave her what I asked you.
Yes, sir.
The money.
Which money?
My phone spoiled and I need money to buy new one.
I need 5,000 naira to get myself some new clothes.
You want to buy a new phone and you want new clothes? Eh? Let me warn you guys. I wouldn't like you to be asking me about anything money in this house except for food stuff. I think from now till December. No, from now till January. Okay?
Why?
Because I am planning on getting married to Ada. I'm saving all the money that I have to pay for Ada's bride price and all other expenses. So please, don't ask me money for anything. Except you want me to get angry with you.
Brother, if you don't have money to marry Ada this year, why can't you leave it next year and marry her?
Are you mad? Eh? If not that you are my sister, I would have asked somebody to break your head. Can't you see that all my mates are getting married and you want me to still be unmarried just because you want a new phone? Dude.
Brother, I need just 5,000 naira to get my save. That new trouser I saw today in the market. Only 5,000 naira.
Only 5,000. You think that 5,000 is very easy to come by? Just 5,000. If you think that 5,000 is too small, go and make it. Go and make it, or go and plug it on trees. Listen, just the way I told you before, I don't want you to ask me for anything about money, okay? Except you want me to get angry with you. That your boyfriend that I saw you with, go meet him and collect money from him now.
Brother, I don't have a boyfriend.
Get yourself one. Get yourself a boyfriend. It's very simple.
It's unfair, okay? Your sister, you don't want us to do this. It's unfair.
You're already looking good. You're already looking good now. See what you're wearing. I bought it. See what you're wearing too. You guys are looking good.
It's always like a thrill to me.
Me too, Dad. Yeah. Now live like a princess. I no longer do any domestic work. All because we have this in the house.
Well, now listen to me. No matter anything, you must be doing domestic work. You must be helping the men. It's good for you as a woman. You see, sometimes I wonder, as far as this village is concerned, we are regarded as one of the poorest families. When I made one decision, and that decision helped me so much. I never knew I could do it when I sold my only land to send Tony to the university. And look at the dividend now. Tony graduated and God started giving him contract That's why we're living like this. So I'm so proud of you. I don't know how to express my joy. I'm always very, very happy anytime I remember this.
Yes,
and I wish you and your brother the same.
Yes, what I've done is trying. Taking care of all the financial programs in the house. Ever since he graduated. In 2 years' time, I and Ibuka will graduate and we'll be making our own money too.
Good.
Now, which one is to enjoy the future?
They are so rest.
You will go to the room and see the midwife.
Okay,
Did you hear me?
yes, doctor.
Okay, you can go. And you, Beauty.
Sir.
How is the patient doing in Ward 39?
She's feeling a lot better today. Oh, sir. She's still complaining of pains around her stomach.
Pains?
Yes, sir.
And it's a minor issue. Pain.
Doctor, sorry to drive into your office with that, but we have emergency.
What's the situation?
They just brought in an accident victim now, but I'm afraid he's badly injured.
Okay, Beauty.
Yes, sir.
You go around the wards and check how the patients are doing. But don't forget to write their situations and report to me later.
Okay, sir.
Be fast! Okay, let's go.
So after selling my wrappers and jewelries, so that I could send Chike to school, hoping that when he graduates, he will find a good job and provide me with a comfortable life that I deserve. But I was wrong. He graduated from the university 5 years ago, but he still cannot provide for this family because he's yet to get a job. Hi. Oh, I now regret sending him to university. It seems I wasted my money in sending him to school. Oh God, what is this? When will this end? Huh? Child. God help us now, help me. And look at all these girls. They are here. At least if one have gotten married now, at least from that, the husband will be doing something, will be helping us.
What about him? The accident victim.
Sorry, I'm just coming out from the library, so I don't know any accident victim.
What? Oh, doctor. What about the accident victim?
Oh, where the young man that brought the patient? Let's talk about it. I'm afraid he's in a bad condition now. And he needs to undergo a surgery because of the internal injuries he has sustained.
So, what is his chance of making it now?
50-50, of course. And by the way, what's your relationship with him?
Well, I don't know. Driving down to the airport when I saw what was going on. And I decided to stop by and check. So when I got there, we saw him on his pool of his blood. So we just rushed him down to the hospital straight ahead.
Okay. So you're a good Samaritan.
Yes, sir.
But we still need to contact his people because some money needs to be deposited.
Sure. Like, how much are we talking about here?
50,000 would be okay for position.
You know what? The one deposit this sum of 100,000 pounds. Because one can't tell you for one thing. Help me take it. And we won't come back very soon and take care of himself.
That is very kind of you. But I still think that we still need to contact his people and to inform them of his present condition now. Now that he's still lying unconscious, I think I'll have to call the police and ask them to go to the scene of the crime to check if they can get any of his cell phone or any information that will lead us to contact his people.
You got a point. I don't think that would be necessary.
That's very bad. That is very bad. Anyway, I'll see what I can do to help him.
Just do anything possible to make sure he's okay.
With God, everything is possible.
We can count to here. I'm very soon we are going to come back and take care of him.
So you don't have to do so.
And we are doing now.
Yeah. Have a nice day.
You mean the hospital where you work? Okay. I'll be there right now, please. Okay? Oh my God. It's really hard.
This biscuit is the only cola I can offer to all of you. So, if you really want to take it with mineral, I am sorry, you must have to pay for it. Simple.
Jack, you're doing those things these days, husband?
Of course, because I am saving my money for something.
And what is that?
I am getting married myself.
Here!
Mom, where are you working at? I need to make you one time. It is hard, of course. And credit to you too, self. You need to go and prepare to marry today. Because this December that coming now, some rich guys might come home and ask her hand in marriage. Then she might accept. Then by then you will be a loser. So be careful now. It is time for you to prepare and buckle up. Abia, Chinelo loves me very much, and she cannot break my heart. You know it. It's Jack who should be afraid.
Afraid of what?
Are you really asking me that? Hey, you and I know very well that this that you are talking of once broke the heart of a guy who wanted to marry her. Just because a strange rich guy came out of nowhere and asked her to marry him. Only for the guy to turn around and broke her own heart. I'm afraid she might do that to you.
It is impossible. It can never happen to me. She broke Tony's heart because Tony was a fool. I control Ada's heart and love. So much that she can never dream of leaving me for another man. It can never, yeah, it can never happen. It's not possible. We just lost him. Very bad. Is there any way we can contact the young man that brought him?
Victor's girlfriend is Beauty's friend. And she has already called her to come to the hospital.
Okay. Just tell the cleaner to clean up the place.
Alright.
I'm in the office.
I will do that.
Bad.
When the doctor said that you will undergo surgery.
Seriously?
What about the patients in Ward 1 and 2? That reminds me again. What about Nancy? Is she back? And where the hell did she go to? Have you searched for her in all the wards?
Yes, I did that, sir.
And what happened?
No, still I saw her leaving the hospital there, but she didn't tell her what she was doing.
Anyway, if she comes back, make sure you tell her to come and see me immediately. Now you can go.
God! Hey! I am so happy. At last. Hey! Hey! I thank you. I thank you. Yes, I sent for you people, my children. I am so happy.
Dad,
Eh?
you called me.
Yes, I called you. I have good news for all of you.
I will get out now. So your face is like this. Don't look now. Why is your face like this? Don't look happy.
Why would I look happy? I'm asking you. Tell me one reason why I should be happy when we have bad news.
What do you mean by bad news? What do you mean by bad news?
Listen, Gift. The bad news is we are not going back to school next week. Reasons why? Because lecture will go on strike. And if government do not pay them their salary and allowance, we are not going anywhere.
Let me hear announce to you. What you are saying is not bad. It's good news. You know how it's a good news. So that you people will have enough time to spend with your loving brother, Tony. Tony called me now, he's on his way. I'm not happy. So it's a good news, my son. You will have time to spend with your brother.
Dad, you are joking.
I'm not joking.
So, Dad, you mean Tony is finally coming back home? Mr. T is finally coming back home.
Mr. Tony is coming back. When he comes back, he will stay till Christmas. Yeah, like he's not going. He's going to stay till Christmas.
I think we should go to first. If she arrange the party.
Why do you have a good idea? But the problem is that we don't have time. Tony is very close. He's very close. So what we need to do now, Ndidi, I know you know how to dress house very well. Go and tidy those shoes very, very well. Yes, excellent tidy. Yes, my wonderful cooking cousin, you are the best cook. So go and exhibit it now. Cook the best jollof rice you can ever think of with chicken. Okay, cook it with chicken. Okay, that's good.
So that you mean Tony is finally coming back?
He's coming now.
Hey. So Tony, you are finally coming back home. So he's finally coming back home to come and see the house he has been sending money for us to get.
Yes.
In that case, Dad, I think I have to go and help Owozi in the kitchen.
My dear, help them.
So wait, let me ask you for the last time because you know you are funny at times. So Tony is now leaving Lagos down to the village to visit us. Are you sure they didn't report him from Lagos? Come to think of it. Why did you tell me that he's coming back? At least I would have placed some nice order for him to get me some nice stuff. You know in Nigeria we have a lot of fake products around. Eh?
Please switch on. Come on, get that.
Let me go and get fake barbecue chicken for him. I'll be right back.
Okay.
Tony.
Yeah, do it. Be happy your brother is coming back. Everybody be happy to be fast. Tidy up everything. Cook.
Or what do you idea?
Good morning. Why are you not putting on your uniform? Where's Mercy? Or has she done that again?
Mercy, I guess she wants to be
Go and fetch her immediately. Because the woman in Ward 3, she's in labor and she needs her urgent attention. And you yourself need to resume work immediately. You can go.
Somebody might see you.
Nobody will see me. This is my story. I left my body. So I need to find out.
So what's the urgent message?
Your girlfriend wants to get all the information about you.
What?
Yes. She wants to inform your family that you are already dead.
What do I do now? I have this diary in my house that contains my village address. It also has the phone numbers of my relatives.
You have to hurry now. Go there before her. Collect all the data, all the information, even in your office. Collect everything so that she will not get there before. Okay?
Anyway, thanks for the information.
You're welcome. You have to be fast.
Mercy! 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 You scared me. Sorry about that. Well, the doctor just want to see you.
Tony, who were you talking with?
Dad, I was talking to myself.
Okay, you were thinking aloud.
Is that okay?
Okay.
Dad, you know I had a long journey. I think I need to rest. It's like
yes, you did.
Please tell Igbo gift that I'm struggling.
Yes, I'll tell them.
I know what you
I will tell them. You need to rest. Alright, go and rest very well. At last, God answered my prayer. God, I thank you. I'm so happy. Hey.
Dad? Where's Grandpa?
He went upstairs. He said he wanted to rest.
I thought he's here in the sitting room. I went to his room, but he's not there.
You're coming from his room?
Yes, Dad.
He just went upstairs. Maybe he branched the closet.
Dad, I want to see him.
No. Gift, don't go anywhere. He said he doesn't want anybody to disturb him. He's very tired. Please, don't go.
Good, Dad. There's something I want to
do.
Shut up.
Are you doing this?
Sorry.
Don't go there. Don't disturb him.
Okay, I will not, Dad.
Please,
I
please.
will not.
Allow my son to rest, please.
Yes, sir.
So confused. The whole files we saw there, none of them contains his home address. Even his diary that always stays in his bedroom whenever I come here is nowhere to be found. I don't know what else to do. Or maybe we should keep searching. What do you think?
Searching for what again? I mean, I've searched the whole room in this house and every corner. We can't find anything. I think we should go to the office when he works. I believe his file there will contain his own address.
You think so? Okay, let's leave here.
Guys, guess what I saw yesterday? The son of Mars. The guy going back home.
Are you serious in what you're saying, or are you just joking as well?
Don't mind, don't know what.
I don't believe you.
I saw the guy yesterday. He came to my shop to buy a recharge card. Guys, you need to see this guy. You need to see the flash card. This guy. I didn't think he's organizing it.
Hey! So finally, this guy has decided to come back after all this work.
Hey! Hey! That's not good. I just wish we are still his friends. Hey! He's here. Adam is here.
Adam! Oyoyo! Oyoyo! You're welcome. Pretty. Chai! Hey! No, come on. Respect yourself. Guys, please give me 1 minute. Let me attend to my oil. Yeah, come on, allow yourself.
Don't mind it. Because talk and I'm going.
I will talk to you later, huh? Bye. Take care.
Hey, Dad, the shipment for all these things that they carry from your shop.
Is it your business? Huh? Is it your business if she paid or not? Respect yourself, oh. Just mind your own business, oh.
You don't
mind
need
your business.
Honestly, why do you have to ask? Are you a stranger here? That is just like a co-owner of this shop.
I know, but to waiting, hold your butt. I know what you are trying to say. Listen, let me tell you something. Listen, by December, I am going straight to their village to ask for her hand in marriage. Okay? So, very soon, both of us will be one. So if I like, I can dash her on my shop. One. I can even decide to dash her myself because we are about to become one. So, mind your business. Let's continue.
Why is it that we came to your house today that you saw you can't even offer us anything?
I said I'm still cooking now. Well, girls. As we are waiting for the food to be ready, I have this little gist for you girls.
Gist?
Yes. Should I go on? Okay. Do you know Tony? The rich Tony. Tony is back. Yes. Son of a babe. Tony is in this town. As I'm speaking to you, Tony is in this village. Hey. Girls, you really need to see him with his flashy car. Tony is in town. Yes, Tony is in town.
You are lying.
I'm not lying, girl. I'm not.
She's not.
Okay.
I saw me yesterday when I was in love. You see, class, I told her about it. She told me, my dear, she and why are you all girls looking at each other without saying anything?
Maybe we are thinking the same thing.
She's
guilty and sorry for what we did to him in the past. How I wish that Gift is still our friend.
She's not happy with us. How we treated her and mocked her in the past.
Chico. Now my food is ready.
Please do.
Good morning, sir. Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
Fine, sir.
Oh, that's good.
Sir, please, what would you like to eat for breakfast?
Okay, just give me a cup of tea and just slice some bread, okay?
Okay, it will be ready in 5 minutes.
Oh, thank you very much. What's your name?
My name is Ngozi, sir.
And you?
Sir, I'm Titi, sir.
Baby, you are good girls. Is there any treatment you will send in this house that you're not comfortable with?
No, sir.
You sure?
No, sir, I have no problems.
Come on, feel free to tell me.
No, sir. Okay, so as a matter of fact, your father and siblings, they have been so kind to us. They don't treat us like me.
Really?
What is it? Why are you guys running after me shouting my name?
You mean no harm, eh?
And who cares if you mean no harm or not? So tell me, why are you people shouting my name?
Lips, we want to ask you a question.
Yes.
Don't be angry. We just want to ask you
a question. And what if I wouldn't answer you?
Hey girl, for how long do you intend to be angry with us now? Please.
Is that the question?
Yes.
You people should go and figure it out by yourselves, okay?
Excuse me.
Leave me!
Sorry now.
Precious or whatever you call yourself, leave me now before I get upset! Leave me!
Please. I want to ask you something.
And what is it?
Is this true that they will go that only
Do you really want to know? Yeah. My brother Tony is back home. Yeah. Or were you hoping that he will never come back again? You were wrong. Just as you were wrong when you thought that he will never make it. Just as you were wrong when you left him because of the hill goats. My brother Tony is back home. And guess what? He will be staying at home until after Xmas. Wow. And he also said he would like to get married before going back to the city. Have I not answered your stupid questions?
Is he going to marry me?
Marry you. You are the village girl.
Hey, But we are your friends now.
Excuse me.
We are your friends. Gifts. Gifts.
Gifts, wait now.
Wait now, we are your friends. Gifts, come back now. Don't worry. I know her. Maybe we'll go to her house. More or less.
Leave me alone! Let me think.
So, Gift, how has the village been for the past 5 years?
Why no? But we are aware that the man whom I got left. I got no married after.
Yeah, I'm aware of that.
My dear, immediately after this conference, all those who mocked us, these stupid wanting us to be friends. But you know what?
Who is that? Please come in.
Hi, Gifts.
What are you two doing here?
You don't pay your
Visit? As in what?
As your friends, of course.
When do we become friends? Have you forgotten? Why are you guys laughing at me now?
Gift or whatever you call yourself. Haven't we told you that you're no longer our friend?
Ha! Ma, what did I do wrong? Did I do anything wrong? Eh? Look at you.
You don't fit our team. Look at the rag you're wearing. You're even smelling.
Hey, but you are my friend. You should not mind if I wear rags or not now. You are my friends now.
You accepted as our friend before, the boyfriend of our team leader, Ada. And now that Ada have abandoned your stupid poor brother and she's about getting married to someone else, I think it's time we let her know that we don't have someone like you as our friend.
Your family are the only one in this village still living in mud house. You people are wretched.
Hey, Ma.
And from now on, don't call us your friend again because we are not.
Babes, I don't even know why we are wasting our time.
Hey, Precious!
What did I hear you just said? You called my name? See, today will be the first and last you will ever mention my name. Do you understand? I don't want to hear my name from that your dirty, stinking mouth. Do you understand? Rubbish, nonsense. Look at you.
And for your information, try and buckle up. You stink.
God! You guys ended our relationship. And I am not ready to be you people's friend again. So, please. Forgiveness. Whether you are sorry or not, I don't care. But all I know is that I am not ready to be you people's friend again, okay? So please get out before I get upset.
Please, we are sorry.
I said out! Please don't even try to come back here again. I just want to see you people again. Imagine. Now. Imagine. I ignore them because they like money more than relationship.
That's life.
And why are you looking at me now?
Huh? How do you like talking anymore?
Let me.
You have money. We that have money, we are not even talking. Omeka Naya come. We are people crying.
Omeka Naya what?
Wait till you let her off this stuff. What time she get?
No. You're joking, right?
Do I look like I'm joking? Do I look like I'm joking? I said it's over between us.
I can't do this.
A man is asking for my hand in marriage and I've accepted.
You did what? How can you accept? What about me? What about the love we share?
Love my food. You and I know that you cannot give me a comfortable life. So a man who is willing to do that is asking me to marry him. I have to take this opportunity. I will take it.
I only have 1 year to graduate from school. Okay? Once I graduate, I believe God that I will get a good job, make money. Then I will give you the comfortable life you desire, please.
What if you don't find a good job?
I will. Believe me, I trust God. I will find a good job. I don't believe in God.
Your father believed in God. Yes, they were poor. Your father also believed in God. He is very poor. So there's no how you can escape it. Poverty is in your blood.
Poverty is not in my blood. Ada, why are you talking like this? Do you now love money more than me?
Yes. Yes, I do. Is that what you want to hear? Are you satisfied now? Please, I have to go now. It's getting late.
Ada, please. Please, you know I love you. Please, don't do this.
I've made up my mind.
Ada. Ada. Ada, Biko.
Is that why you are lost in your thoughts?
No, I left him back then, but I still love him.
Don't make me laugh. You still love him. You mean you love him or you love the man? Or his man? Which one?
If you just his money, it means I took after him. I regret everything.
Please, I don't want you to take my brother, please. I don't want you to take my brother.
Excuse me.
Please, Dada, please. Please.
Listen, let me tell you. I can't wait for your brother. And you know I can't do that. I can't. Someone who has made it already wants to marry me. And there's no how I can wait for him to graduate. And even if he does, he doesn't have connection. So just leave me alone.
Believe me.
Who cares? Do I look like I care? Don't even try to come back and beg me.
Please, now, I know my brother loves you.
I changed my mind. Just chief. You
stink. Please now. It's not good though. Come on, can I have a berego? Okay,
So, Ada, what is that you want to tell us?
Well, something came up. I've taken decision already, but I want to know your opinion.
So what is that again?
A young man who is a government secondary school teacher. He also has a motorcycle. He's asking me to marry him.
What did you tell him? Say go. I not only is your boyfriend, but I would advise not to miss this opportunity. This guy is a permanent worker and also has a motorcycle. He can offer you a comfortable living, but with Tony, you can end up being a wife to a educated poor fellow. You may ask me, that is my opinion.
Well, I've already accepted his proposal. Just that I want to know if you girls will support my decision.
So, Ada, why didn't you tell us about it?
That's because it's not official yet. You are hearing it now.
Wow, that's nice. I think Chinelo is right. But then, what about Tony?
I've already told him to go this way.
Wow! That's nice!
Oh my god!
Take it
You
back!
guys are the smartest girl. Oh my god.
Wow.
What's up?
I'm happy my style gets.
blame your friends. Because you have already accepted the man before you told them about it.
I'm not blaming them. But I wish that they didn't support me to leave Tony. You are the one who convinced me to leave Tony.
You are stupid. You are very stupid. Is it my fault? It's not my fault.
You are the one who convinced me to leave Tony.
I only advised you. I didn't tell you to leave Tony. I just advised you. You should have said no now. If you didn't love his money, you should have stood your ground and you should have said no. Now listen. Stop. If you want me to teach you how to get Tony back, I am prepared to start. You just tell me and I will teach you how to get him back. But just don't sit around blaming everybody for what happened in the past. It's not fair now. It's not fair. Stop crying. Let me go to the kitchen and go and
come and take her out of there.
So you better go now. You better leave this place before we push you out of this house.
Good day, sir.
Fine, sir.
I'm here to apologize for all the things I've done in the past. I'm very, very sorry. Please forgive me. I'm very, very sorry.
I've forgiven you, right? I've forgiven you.
Thank you! Thank you!
I've forgiven you.
Thank you.
Sit.
Do you know that stupid She doesn't have shame at all. Did you see the way she hugged Bratton? Hey! Just imagine, stupid girl.
But Saturni did not even hug her back.
Yes, now.
I have heard the story between she and Saturni. How if Saturni did not come at it, I would have pushed her out of that.
See, wait, let me tell you. She's looking for a way to come back to Bratton. Because she had that Bratton has money now. Let her come and eat money now. I'll just cut off that her leg. Just imagine. Nonsense.
And who is that man that you have pushed out? If not that Tony came out.
So it is that girl called Ada.
Ada? Is she?
She came here today. She even hugged.
What? She hugged Tony?
Yes.
Tony! Tony! Tony!
It is Chinelo.
What has she done?
Chinelo has broken my heart into pieces. Can you imagine that I caught Chinelo today kissing and romancing Tony by the roadside? Hi!
What? And what did you do?
What could I have done? I tried to confront her, but she proudly told me that it's over between us. I
can't believe this. Did you tell her brother about it?
Yeah. I told him, but he didn't even believe me. Anyway, I have already told my sister the Abaramai about it. And I know she must do something.
Cletus, it is all your fault. Yes. I advised you to ask for her hand in marriage. Do you understand? Because some rich men might do that before you and she might accept. Rather, you were waiting for you to get some money before you would do that.
So you are saying it's my fault?
Of course, it's your fault. Just look at I and Ada. I have already asked for her hand in marriage and she has accepted. Do you understand? So there is no way she will ever leave me. She has already known that I am the husband and she is my wife. Okay. Of course.
If only I knew that you would blame me for this, then I wouldn't have come here. I can't be just alone when you must find a bag.
Calm down. It has not gotten up to that. It's okay. Just calm down. It has happened. Just like that. Many fishes in the ocean. Oh, you will still get yourself another woman. Wonder. Hey!
How was your trip back home?
Ma, it was okay. It was okay, but very soon I may not be coming home.
Why?
What a level.
So what? That's not an excuse. Is that place your homeland? You must come home no matter what.
Exactly. Remember I told you I would bring you there. I want to know what you say.
Yes, you said something like that.
So, this is Tina. She's together last night. So, Tina, please, my 1 million mom. I don't joke with her. So, these are my sisters. This is Precious. This is my mother. My 2 sisters. The 250 seagulls are of us.
Respect yourself. You're too slim. No, she's too slim. Eh? I hope you don't have the case of sickle cell in your family. Because it's something we cannot carry now. Especially my who's trying to establish. He needs everything. Yes? Thank God you don't have it. And these are your legs, I'm worried. I didn't natural.
Yes, ma'am.
There's some people who I've had the stories. People who go now to do something so their bones can be up, so they will be up. You know, it's natural.
Yes, ma'am.
Don't be offended though that I'm asking this. You know, I'm now the head of the family since my husband is no more. Chicken, you should not be worried about this.
Mama, I know her.
I'm just asking so that to know that she has the ability to grow fat. So that after you marry her, people will not say that you're not feeding her well. That's what I'm asking. Yeah. So how is your family?
My parents are late. It's just me, my brother and my sister. My brother is a student in university and my sister is a nurse. Why I am a hairdresser.
Oh, you found out.
I call. Hair stylist.
Yes.
More phone now.
No, yeah. Go bank account.
Mama.
I'm just saying.
Mama.
It's my business, but it's not. It's not. Don't mama hand. It's okay. Mama hand. What are you enjoying? No, I'm back. But don't say. But don't want me to offend you. It's our customer.
So Chinyere has already made a step. I should have taken a step ahead. Oh, I just need a man like Tony in my life. Someone who can provide for me in everything I do. He's so handsome. What do I do now? I think I have to go for what I want. I'm a woman. After all, I know how to make a man to fall for me. Once I get him, I'll allow him to get me pregnant so that I'll be the one he will marry. And even if this must destroy my friendship with Chinyere, I don't care. That's what I will do.
Mama.
What are you thinking about now? I'll be calling you a couple of times. Don't want to answer me. You are absent-minded. Is there any problem?
Hello, sweetie. Yes, I'm almost ready. I'll be with you shortly, okay? Yeah, I love you. Bye. Bye-bye. Okay.
This one you're smiling like an idiot. Where are you going?
If you must know my baby, I have a date with my Tony.
Bastard.
You are
I
the
would
bastard.
want you to leave Tony alone for me.
The bastard. I said you are the bastard. Yes. You are the bastard.
So this is how you want it?
Yes.
You said that I'm not how great in this house. No way. No way.
you got?
Will you keep quiet and tell me what is going on?
Okay. She was about going out.
Where did you see Tony? I thought he doesn't come home anymore. Where? Where did you see Tony?
Tony is back. If you don't know, just know it now. Tony is back and we have settled our differences. Baby, she got. Keep on checking me. She got.
It's okay.
Mama.
This house.
You are not saying anything.
What do you want me to say? That I've not said before. Look at these two people. I've tried to settle this issue between them, but they refuse. All they want to do is to fight over Tony. Now to see Tony one and a fight over is here. Oh, now. Oh, when you should have eaten. Get up, no more. Tell you let them fight now. Let them fight. Maybe from this we'll know who is stronger than the other. What is this?
Do you know I dated Tony for how many years? And I knew nothing about him. Not even his family members. Not even his home address. And I felt reluctant over it all these years.
But Nasude, I think it's time you stop blaming yourself. It's not your fault. You've been trying all this while. Don't blame yourself anymore, please.
Who else do I blame? If I don't blame myself, who else would I blame?
Now, let's do it this way. I think you should just take the body to the cemetery and bury him. Yes. Because as it is now, it seems like you're not going to find him.
Not yet. I can't just bury Tony like that. Remember the last time you said something about talking to Tony's friends?
I think so.
I think that's what I'm going to do now. Because I cannot just bury Tony like that. No, I can't.
That's nice. I agree with you.
Bro, sorry, please, we need to talk.
Let's go.
With all due respect, please, let me see. Bro, what's going on? What's happening? This is not our normal agreement.
I told you something, right?
Sure you did, bro. What you know, bro? Bro, remember you told me you're going to frustrate all these young girls in this village. Rather still you're here lavishing your money upon them, spending your money upon them, making them happy.
That's what I'm talking.
Listen.
Hey bro, I see, the phone it looks like she's having now, she's actually sinking in the ocean of my punishments. Just watch and see. Time will tell. Okay, I've never felt you all.
How am I sure you're not giving her money when I'm here crying of money? You came back from the city. I've not.
This your man. You slut!
You know Tony is my guy, you can't have to start him in food.
What did you just say?
I said you are a slut. Are you mad? You are very, very stupid.
Sorry, are you even talking to me?
Of course I'm very to you.
What's up here? What's up here? Who are you? What are you doing here? What are you doing in my house? Get him here. Are you off? What are you doing? Who are those guys?
Which girls?
Whether they are romantic or they are fine, I don't know.
I don't know now.
You don't know?
Yes, where are they? They may be from Tony's friends.
Hey!
I don't know.
Can you know that, bro? Can you know that, What? What were they? Tony!
What's that?
Where is Tony?
Where are they?
They're gone! I will check them out of this house. Where is Tony?
I don't know. Let me call him. He may be upset. Tony!
See, both of you, I want you girls to stay away from my boyfriend. Stay away from my Tony. Leave him alone from me. You, Mama, you have Onuwa, and you, Chinelo, you have Cletus. You girls should leave him alone for God's sake. I won't take it lightly with anyone that will stand on my way. And this will be my last warning to you girls. I'm not going to take it again. Take it or leave it, and watch out what will happen.
I love you more than you do.
You
And
don't
he
love
loves
me.
more than you also.
Love him or you love his love.
And what's your own?
Let's tell ourselves the truth. You girls are fighting over his money. I think we should play our game and be careful and get what we want from Tony. And watch and see who is going to marry at the end.
Of course I will be the one.
I know I'm the one.
You can't be because you don't suit him.
Only time
I said so.
will tell.
Okay,
Only time will
let's wait
tell.
for that time, my dear. Yes.
Tony, why are you bringing all these gold diggers into this house? They don't love you. It's your money they want. I know how they treated you when you were nobody. Huh? They want to reap where they did not sow. Tony,
Trust me, I know what I'm doing.
you don't know what you are doing. I know how one of those girls treated you in the past. Huh? And now you want to bring in almost all of them back into your life.
Father, it is not almost all of them, but all of them.
Tony Ibayala, Elijah, how can you say such words to my face?
Like I said, relax. No need to get yourself worked up, okay? I am trying to punish them. I don't love any one of them. Not a single bit.
You want to punish them with your strength, your time, and your money. You are not punishing them. You are giving them what they want, not punishment. Tony, be reasonable.
Brother, what seems to be their enjoyment right now will later turn out to be the greatest punishment of their lives. Just wait and see.
Just say this is wisdom. Okay, now go now. I'm going to share with this money. Hi. Really, Boo is not.
Do you think there is a way to resolve this problem between your two sisters?
Of course, there should be. They are sisters. I should not be fighting over the man. I think one of them needs to give way for the other. If not, a day will come when they'll be looking for you to find each other. Mama, good afternoon.
Tina. I go to the kitchen and help her house.
What is it?
Chicken. that when you're looking for a girl to marry, you should look for a girl that's from a rich family. That can free us from this particular suffering. But instead, you just went ahead and brought somebody who is just the opposite of what I would love as a daughter-in-law.
Mama, Tina may come from a poor family. She may be poor, but I love her so much. Mama, look at Tina. She's beautiful and very decent.
Am I going to eat her beauty? Am I going to eat her beauty? You're talking about money here. And you're talking about beauty. She's beautiful. Look at her, she's already skin and bones. All they can stockfish. Already. And if you marry her now, bring her to your home without sufficient money to take care of her, she will become the skeleton in your wardrobe and people will laugh. I would prefer you go and marry any ugly girl. So long as she's from a rich family. Yes, it's better that way.
Mama, why is it that everything you talk about is money, 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 money?
Why not now? Money comes first before every other thing. Money for everything. Without money now, can you even travel from here to that place where you're working? It's money. Everything is money. Money is the root to all pleasures. Don't know.
Mama, whether you like it or not, Tina is the woman I want to marry. And there is nothing anybody can do about it. Mama, after all, you are the cause of all these things.
Cause of what?
Suppose you married a rich man. I would have become a rich man myself.
No.
And you went on, you got no pack, every man no pack.
Who told you your brother was a poor man? It was you that brought bad luck into this family. The very first day you were born. That is how money just fizzled out. We had nothing from that day. All we had to do bad luck, yeah? Look at pot calling kettle black. And look at my big good. This is an opportunity for me to make money. This boy wants to deny me that opportunity. Look at this stupid boy.
I'm her elder sister, so let her give way.
Why would I be the one to give way? Why can't you give way? Elder sister?
You just said. Listen, let me tell you. I love Tony with all my life. So, I can't leave him for you.
Sell with me.
Hey! Enough of this argument. Why can't I have my business in this house?
Why not?
Every day, Tony Adazian. Who have a me know now? Is Tony the only man in this community?
Ratike. Not man and Tiada and Precious. Every day, Tony.
Stop that nonsense.
I'm sorry, I can't. The only thing I can is I have my way in Tony's life. So does she. Let us continue having our ways. But if she asks me to leave Tony alone, I will ask her to leave Tony alone for me too.
Did you just say that? Did you just say? We shall see. We shall see.
Ada, come back here. Ada, come back here.
One hour.
And you.
1 hour.
And you. Stop this nonsense. Stop this nonsense. I don't like it. I don't like it.
And what's your business? What's your problem? Don't ever talk to me again in this house. Likpa, do you hear me? Don't ever talk to me again. Never marry.
Master, where is my people on the Ibuka? Our only sister gift. On your left is somebody and very special food. But here's Martin, my friend, the one I told you that will be joining us. So he will spend a couple of days with us. Please, I want you all to treat him as part of the family.
Oh, Martin, you're welcome. Thank you so much.
You're welcome, Martin. What's up? What did you get for me?
Oh, a lot. I brought a lot for you guys. Yeah.
Well, you just came in and no going.
Gift is the food ready?
Almost. Can you do a very beautiful sister?
Yeah, sure.
Thankfully, you have a very nice house. I'm beautiful and sexy chicks.
No matter what, stay away from my sister and my 2 households. Don't come close to them. As for all the girls in this village, you can have them for fun. I just want them to suffer for turning down on me because of money.
Tony, you've been singing that like national anthem ever since I came in here. For Christ's sake, I came in to help you make them suffer.
Well, I'm going to do that. You see, you need to see how these village girls fight over me simply because of money.
And they don't even know that the person they are fighting over is a ghost.
Honestly, I can imagine how they will feel when they find out that the real me is there and lying on the mortuary.
Remember, you have stolen all the information that will lead your girlfriend down to the village.
Okay. I'll travel abroad. So, I will make them suffer. I will give them the biggest hand.
Ngozi, where are you going to with your bag? What is the problem?
I'm sorry. I have to leave this house. And I can't tell anyone the main reason why I'm leaving this house. Because I already know. I'm afraid if I do, they might kill me.
Kill you? What happened? What is the problem?
I've already called my sister who works as a nurse in the city. And she promised to give me a job as a cleaner in the hospital.
Cleaner? But Ngozi, you won't be comfortable the way you are in this house. Ngozi, no. How can you be a cleaner? Please, Ngozi, don't go. Don't leave me.
Don't even try and convince me. Because I've made up my mind. And it would be better if you come with me.
Come with you? No, wait, okay, wait. I can't go with you. I love this family. They treat me like their own person. Please, you don't have to go.
It's too bad.
I love this family. Ngozi, please, please, come back.
Yes, I called you. Did I call you? You see, Ngozi said that she doesn't want to live with us again. That she wants to go to the city and live with her sister. I tried to understand why. I want to know, do you know anything about that?
Sir, she told me something about that, but I tried to convince her, but she has already made up her mind.
What? Did she tell you why?
She didn't tell me why.
You see, as an elderly person, I discovered that she's been acting strange. She seems to be very afraid of this house and everything. So I don't know why. I've been watching her. With my able eye, I think I've seen it. So I want to know, did she tell you why she's behaving like that?
No, sir. If she did, I will let you know, sir. She did tell me.
Okay. You can go.
Oh my God. What a beautiful girls we have here. You girls are looking so pretty. Actually, you girls are welcome. Tony is inside and he will soon join us.
But with them, we have to, you really have to rock it. We have to shake it down. We have to rock it because I don't like.
Why I was not in the mix. Huh? You just tryna see you. Yeah. You got this girl hanging out for you. That's what I think is that what they want you. Huh? See this girl to like to love you. She want to buy. She want to ride with you. Huh? Honey, can I carol? She just feeling my barrel. I know it's been a go. Why you want to love me and tell my barrel? Please, and again, she must shake for me. See me, I mean, I must shake for me. And me too, let my shake for me. I must shake for me. I must shake for me. Let's go again, rocking the body, making my money like a lemonade. Too much money, too much value, too much money. We've been balling, we've been calling, say I be love you, love and love. Say we've been balling, holla, she's like in my dollar, she's like in the hammer, she's in the dollar. It's a young and busy, we killing the beat. Although we not screening the hit, I get the power to make you defeat. Make you know though, you make me like this. When I they call me collar. When I sing, they call me baller. Back in the days when I get $10. Back in the days when I get $10. We've been balling, this thing you do to me, Allah. Everything you do to me, Allah.
Go! And you? I can live here. Empty matters. I don't blame you. I don't blame you, man! I don't blame you!
My children, I am confused. I don't want to believe that this is happening. I am confused. I am just confused. My heart is bleeding because of what is happening in the life of Tony. How can Tony change to that extent? I've never seen a human being change to this extent. Yes, he's a responsible man. Yes, he has made his money. But it's not what I'm talking about. I don't know him to be a womanizer to this extent. How can Tony be a womanizer to this extent? He carries every kind, even the women that rejected him before, everything, every kind of woman. The other day I came here, I saw women fighting. All kinds, you see every kind of woman in the life of Tony now. What is happening? How can I continue seeing such thing? I've advised him, I've spoken to him many, many times. He will listen to me. This is not the Tony I know. This is, if you ask me, this is spiritual. This is not normal. This is not normal. So that's why I say, what is happening? I want you people to speak to him. Maybe he will listen to you people as the siblings. Maybe he will listen. I'm tired. Everyone blood pressure. Everyone BP. Everyone BP.
Dad, this is the same thing talking about. Same as you, same as everyone or everyone in the family. We're all disappointed in Tony. You understand? Tony, I don't understand. The last time I spoke to him, he told me he's trying to build price upon that. But now this, see, get away me with that, eh? Let's go to Owen and Sam. Owen and Sam, and he's busy.
Oh my God, I don't know what I said.
Dad, you're not the issue. You're not the issue because you are supposed to lead my elder brother.
What do you think?
Daddy, I'm confused as well. I don't know what to say. I'm just confused. I wonder.
You're not confused.
Yes, I am confused.
Are you stupid? Eh? That is talking, you're busy pressing that to the toilet. Did you want blood pressure to finish? Don't you not have a own shit?
I'm mad, I cannot live. Hey!
Yeah,
I do need to disturb you. Just that
There's this cousin of mine, gossip and them. She just left the village and came to stay with me. So I just want to ask if she can be employed here as a cleaner.
Anyway, let her consider herself the lucky one. In as much as one of our leaders are not married, let her come and start work.
Thank you, sir.
One more thing. I believe she's a good character.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Ada has the mind to dump me, even after all I did for her. Hey!
What pains me the most is that these girls know that Tony is playing all of them, yet they keep on following him. That's already a game.
Wait, they say using charms on them. Because I wonder the way they are following him as if they have been trapped.
See, I think I'll have to talk to my sister about this. But I will report this to my sister.
Hey! Mbano, it is not possible. Ada can never go free. See, if Ada wouldn't marry me, she must pay for all the things she has been collecting from this job. Yes, and even all the money that I've been dashing her, Ada must pay.
Yes, she must pay.
Ada must pay for all the things that have been given to her.
As it stands now, that is very, very angry. It's very, very good to say my sin.
Please, I think by now you should be thinking of getting married. Not to be flirting around with those gold diggers. It makes me sick. I don't even like it for us.
You see, you guys will not understand, okay? Just sit and watch as I unfold my games with these girls. At the end of the game, you will understand.
How do you mean you should just sit and watch you? See, no, bro, at this point in time, you should be thinking on how to settle down. You should be thinking on how to get married. You should be thinking on how to get married and stop fronting around these old bitches in this village. You just see fronting yourself around these old girls. Come on, bro, why are you behaving like this?
Like I said, when the time is right, you will understand.
Why not make us to understand it now?
See, well, when the time is right, you will understand. After all, Martin has gone back to the city just like that one time.
Better. I like it. I don't like that guy for once. He's not as decent as I thought. I hate him.
Senior bro, with all due respect, if there's anything you need to make us understand, you had better do it now. Just make us understand it now and stop this your flaunting around with all these girls. You aren't getting any younger. Your phone is growing faster than mine. Ndidi! Let me go and eat my bed.
Because how was work today?
Work is fine.
Okay. You know, about that place, you don't really have any problem. All you just need to do is to concentrate on your work. Apart from that, you don't really go.
Okay, yes. Hello? Yes. Oh, beauty.
You're looking good.
Yes. Thanks. Good afternoon, my dear. How are you? I love your dress.
Thank you so much.
So how is it?
Hi. Is she your sister? You both look alike.
She's my cousin. You know, she started working in last 2003.
Okay, okay. I was there today. I looked for you. I did not see you. I looked for Mercy. I did not see Mercy.
Oh.
So
Mercy is off today. Likewise, tomorrow we'll resume work.
Oh.
So any problem?
It's about that thing. She said she would help me get some people to bury. Yes, so that's why I'm here. I want to bury him, so I can be able to concentrate on my studies. You understand?
Okay, well, I think that is a nice decision. It's really a nice decision.
Thank you.
At least for you to face your study, no?
Yes, thank you.
Okay, what will happen is that I'll have to call her and deliver your message, right?
Okay. No problem. I have to start going out because I have lectures.
Okay then, no problem. What will happen is when you contact her, try and call me on phone. So, or better still, like I'll visit the hospital tomorrow. Okay.
Alright then.
Something?
Yes.
Just taking it in.
No, don't worry.
Okay. Yeah, bye.
Bye.
Yes, babe. That lady that just left now, who is she?
Nancy. Nancy has been a friend for a while now.
She looked worried.
She has been like that since not her boyfriend. You know, her boyfriend died in our hospital.
Too bad.
I pray for her.
Beauty, you never told me that you have this kind of thing.
That was Nancy's phone. Okay, I have to call her. Hello, Nancy. Yes. You forgot your Android phone. You have to come back. You have to come back. Okay, okay. All right.
Okay, I'm sorry.
You know I was in haste. Where's the phone now?
You mean you know Tony?
I'm finished. I'm finished.
Mama, please stop crying.
Please
stop crying. Because no amount of tears will bring you back.
Do you expect me to be happy? How many daughters do I have that I should lose to me one day? Just one day. Just one day.
Mama, it's okay. God knows the best.
Stop telling me God knows the best. I mean, I don't know how to console somebody. Just stop and leave me alone. Let me cry. Let me cry. Let me cry. Let me cry.
Stop crying. Mama, please stop crying. Yes, as I speak, he is in my hometown. Sorry, you know this person, this Tony? Yes.
I see something. You know, Tony is now his own time now.
I've heard stories about people dying, going to places where they are not known, and living a normal life like humans. But I never believed them. I felt they were just fairy tales.
Okay, wait. Did you tell his family about it?
No, I was afraid. Satoni and his father might kill me.
You have a very nice house and beautiful and sexy chicks.
No matter what, stay away from my sister and my two housemates. Don't come close to them. As for other girls in this village, you can have them for fun. I just want them to stop for turning down on me because of money.
Tony, you've been singing that like national anthem ever since I came in here. For Christ's sake, I came in to help you make them suffer.
Well, I'm going to do that. And you see, you need to see how these village girls fight over me simply because of money.
And they don't even know that the person they are fighting over is a ghost.
Honestly, I can imagine how they will feel when they find out that the real me is there and lying on the mortuary.
Remember, you have stolen all the information that will lead your girlfriend down to the village.
Okay.
father's number, the mother's number, brother, sister? Do you have anybody's number that...
Yes, I'm with his father's number.
Oh, God, thank you. Please, help me type the number here, okay? This is serious.
The China, the China, who ring what's it doing? The China. I am on the way. I can't move. Will disappear, disappear. And Didi, somebody's at the door. Go and check who's at the door. Somebody's at the door.
Okay, the door is open.
Are you sure?
Sir, this is Nancy. She was the one that's calling your phone. I gave her your number.
It's in the because analyzing. So you've not depended from this rubbish you say. Eh? You are still telling me this is what do I have to do with Nancy? What's my business? I want to be staying in this house. Sorry. I mean you're supposed to trust whatever that trusting someone that doesn't even know trust. You left this, I don't even know how you left this house.
You're welcome.
Dad, what's the meaning of all this? So finally you decided to come back.
Ngozi came here to fool herself! Ngozi, you came back to fool yourself! Just look at you. Talking like a one person. Is that what you're wishing my family? It is not going to work for you. Never! Never! Look at you! Look at what you are even taking.
Dad, I don't understand all this. What do you mean by all this?
What I'm saying? Oh God! Beautiful!
Yes.
My son is here! Nancy, or whatever you call yourself. Ngozi, this is my son.
Tony!